Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about modern luxury bedroom interior design. Briefly discuss the importance of well-designed bedroom and how it can enhance relaxation and comfort. The upcoming design ideas and emphasize that they are simple and accessible for everyone. Let's dive into the chic world of modern luxury bedroom design with sleek, minimalistic, natural color patterns, clean lines, and clutter-free space are the star of this trend. Imagine a screen atmosphere that does not just look good but feels claiming and sophisticated. Minimalistic design is not just a style, it is a lifestyle. Choosing suiting colors like white and grey, embracing simple yet elegant furniture, and decluttering your space can transform your bedroom into a tranquil scenery. The magic lies in the simplicity, less is more. So, if you are aiming for a sophisticated and peaceful bedroom vibe, sleek minimalistic is your go to style. Try it out and you will be amazed at the tranquility it brings to your personal space. Discover how to boost the luxury of bedroom by adding stand-out furniture pieces. Consider a push-up holster bed for a touch of opulence, a chic accent chair for adding style, or a unique bedside table to elevate functionality. The key here is quality over quantity. Choose pieces that resonate with your style and well crafted. Often far fewer but higher quality furniture items not only enhance the overall aesthetic but also ensure a more refined and impactful look for your space. By focusing on these statement pieces, you can effortlessly transform your bedroom into a luxury retreat without overwhelming it with clutter. Elevate your design game and create a sophisticated haven with carefully chosen quality furniture. In creating a cozy and luxurious bedroom, texture and fabrics play a crucial role. Imagine the warmth of soft through the comfort of polish rugs and the indulgence of velvet or silk bedding. These elements bring a rich and inviting feel to your personal space. The secret lies in layering, combining these textures in harmonies. They lay a soft through over your bed, place and push rugs underfoot, and choose velvet or silk bedding for a tactical experience. This layering not only add a visual appeal but also enhance the overall comfort. By understanding and incorporating these simple yet effortlessly ideas, you can transform your bedroom into a haven of luxury where every texture contribute to a soothing and stylish atmosphere. Bedside lamps adds specific activities enhancing functionality, accent lighting highlighting the key furniture, adding depth to your bedroom aesthetic. Now here is the game changer: smart lighting styles. These futuristic setups offer both convenience and customization. Imagine adjusting your bedroom lights with a simple tap on your smartphone or using voice commands. Smart lighting adapts to your preference, allowing you to create the perfect ambience for relaxation or productivity. It is the modern touch that adds a layer of luxury to your personal space, making your bedroom not just a room but a personalized sanctuary. Upgrade your lighting, upgrade your lifestyle. Unlock the true potential of your bedroom by adding a personal touch. Dive into the world of personalized decor and art that make your space uniquely yours. hanging meaningful wall art, incorporating one-of-a-kind accessories, and adding personal touches that reflect your individual style. It is not just about following trends, it is about creating a luxurious space that speaks to who you are. Lets your room tell your story through carefully chosen elements that resonate with your personality. So, whether it is crashed photo and favorite quotes or a special moment, infuse your bedroom with pieces that make it a true reflection of your transform your space into a heaven that not only looks luxurious but also feel aesthetically and unmistakably yours. Add your personality through unique decor and art, making your bedroom a reflection of you. Subscribe, share, and like our channel for more simple and stylish design tips.